It is enabled for all. When we discuss SSPR, because it works with multi-factor authentication as well. So we will go ahead and look into multi-factor authentication plus self-service password reset in our next video. Authentication methods, how users can authenticate, and what are the second method of authentication you can select from here. It is a complete security chapter and we need to look into it in some other video. On-premise integration. So currently there are no agents capable of performing password writeback. Okay, this this is good that we came here on-premise integration, because there is password reset is not configured. So if there is an on-premise synced user, he will not be able to reset his password through self-service password reset portal. So how do we fix it? Now here we go to our Entra Connect, our Active Directory environment. This is good for if you have an Entra ID running with on-premise Active Directory sync. So you run it as administrator, Azure AD Connect. Okay, we'll do a configure, and what we will configure, synchronization options, customize synchronization options, click next, next, and it will authenticate. It will take some time. Domain, next, next. So you see password writeback here. Password writeback. This option is not selected, so we'll go ahead and select this option. Next, configure. So, so this video is first configuring the identities, then we will do the access management. What is happening today is people are doing a complete identity and access management certification, but they do not have the basic understanding how Active Directory works, how Entra ID works. This is a kind of teamwork, because one team is managing the identities, second team is managing the identity and access management, but they both are very disconnected in today's world. So if you go ahead and do your SC300 certification, identity and access management, or you become an administrator, identity and access administrator, you use multiple tools. But in the core, what is happening, to understand, you have to be very thorough and you have to understand all the aspects. How do we configure everything at our end, right? Now, this is configured, password writeback is configured. So let us see on-premises integration. It will take some time. No, it has done it. So your on-premise writeback client is up and running. Microsoft Entra Sync agent set up and complete. Cloud sync is not detected. That is okay. Manage setting, enable password writeback for synced users. Writeback passwords with Microsoft Entra Cloud Sync allow users to unlock account without resetting their password. This option, allow users to unlock accounts without resetting their password, is again helpful. So you can do check it and click on save. So a user now can perform, any on-premise user can now perform a password reset on his account.